Hello dear friends, come close, come near, a gentle tale will bloom right here. The stars are bright, the moon shines wide, Bluey is trotting with joy inside. The grass is soft beneath her feet, the night air hums with whispers sweet. She skips along with tail held high, but something stirs, a sudden cry. Two shining eyes peek through the shade, a stray cat growls, its stance is made. The sound goes, hiss, the fur stands tall, Bluey stops short, her heart feels small. She trembles quick, her ears tilt low, the chilly breeze begins to blow. The cat steps close with eyes that gleam, Bluey shivers, caught in the dream. Her paws feel stuck, her voice feels weak, she wants to run but cannot speak. The night grows tense, the air turns tight, Bluey is frozen in silver light. But then the stars blink calm above, their gentle glow shines soft with love. She takes deep breaths, both slow and sweet, her courage grows beneath her feet. The stray cat turns, it slips away, its shadow fades, it will not stay. The crickets sing, the fear drifts down, Bluey no longer wears a frown. She lifts her head, the sky is clear, the moonlight hums, the world feels near. Her paws relax, her heart beats slow, a gentle peace begins to grow. Come join our cheer, come laugh, come play, subscribe for dreams in each new day. Stay close, dear friends, adventures true, more happy tales will come to you. She curls on grass, the stars shine mild, the world feels safe, so calm, so wild. Her eyes grow soft, her sigh drifts through, and Bluey loves you too.